Hello everyone, this is Weather from Tanfon Solar. What I show you today is a 150 kilowatt high level MPS solar system. What is a load now is a solar panel. Usually a 150 kilo solar system uses 288 of solar panel. We use a 600 watt monode solar panel. About one package is about 36 pieces. So we use 8 packs of solar panels, and this way is MPS inverter. This not only use the solar power, but also at the same time you can charge the battery by the city grid electrical and district generator. And you can see this. This is a stable lithium battery. This customer use a high voltage of this lithium battery. And that way is the battery combined box like this. And that is the charge of the solar panel. Not only this, but also this is the installed charge of the whole solar system. If you want to know more about high level quality solar system, you can contact us, Tanfon Solar. You are always welcome.